No way. It can't be. It can't be. What's all that about, mate?
Well, fucking Tesco crashed into it, didn't they? 6 months to paint, 1 week to crash. Right guys, so welcome back. It has been a long time since we've done a YouTube video, but it takes a long time to paint the car. Now, I had the car finished probably about 2 weeks ago. We're going to get Jordan to come down, do a nice cinematic on it, sort of do a reveal. And then a week after it had been painted, Tesco crashed into it. So let's check out what they did. So on the face of it, it doesn't look that bad, but because it's a fiberglass wing, they basically pushed it in and it split all underneath, took some paint off the door and then a little bit of paint on the bonnet there. So, I mean, they're pretty good if you crash into them, to be fair. They've already rang me to sort it all out, so we're going to get that booked in, but it's not ideal.
And the gutting part was you were on holiday at the time as well.
I was on holiday, yeah.
You just finished painting
Should
it.
not have left the car outside the house. But you know, it is what it is. It's done now. You know, it's a bit gutting. It's more gutting because I've done all the work. Like if I'd have just paid somewhere to do it, and then I just pay them again to fix it. But
How much is it to fix it?
so the full paint job cost me £680 to do myself, and then to fix it at a paint shop I've been quoted £1,500. But obviously Tesco are taking care of that. They are pretty good. They contacted me the same day to try and sort it out, offering me a courtesy car and all that, but I don't need that because it's my weekend car anyway. So yeah, RX7 is finished technically on the channel. You won't see too much more of it, you'll probably see little bits, but the main content now will be the Datsun. Now if you've been watching this channel for a while, you'll know Liam, the other guy on the channel, been away for a while. We're building his Datsun, got it sandblasted, turned into be 2 cars welded together, but we have got a little surprise for you. We've got something coming up. We've been getting loads of parts in for that. So I'll give you a little sneak peek now, but you're going to have to subscribe, turn your bell notification on, and on the next video we'll be showing you what we've got coming up. Cheers.
Let's go check out this Datsun then.
Whoa, not too close, mate. That's the next video.
Come on, I want to see it. I'll try and get a sneak in the window instead then. Oh. Maybe another time then.